What's up, guys? It's called 3880 and I'm going to be unboxing the US and Vietnam War military gas mask. Yeah, you can know the name. The box got fresh from now. Oh, let's take my address right there. Not show you. So, got nice. Okay, you do the unboxing. Might not take more than 30 seconds, I guess. It's pretty short tape. Then I'm about to cut it. There, cut. That's the gas mask. From Vietnam. Original military. Strapped. Turn on my light so we can get some greater brightness. Yeah, the mask. Strapped to make it tight. I want to look at the inside. What it looks like. Pretty cool. It's original, made. It's gonna be for my collection. I'm not gonna wear it. I am, but just try it out. But I'm not gonna wear it that much. I'm gonna do the collection. Oh, it's original. There the air goes in. Don't know a lot about gas masks stuff, but I'm just showing you the unboxing. Pretty cool. I'm gonna put some photos and you're gonna get to see at the end. Thanks for watching. Peace.